Retell AI is a powerful voice AI platform, but like any tool, knowing its hidden features and avoiding common mistakes can make a huge difference in how effective it is for your business. In this video, we'll explore some lesser-known capabilities of Retell AI and highlight mistakes you should avoid to save time, money, and frustration. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tech insights. First, let's talk about some hidden features that many users overlook. Retell AI allows you to fully customize your voice agents, including adjusting tone, pacing, and multilingual support, which is perfect for matching your brand or communicating with international clients. You can also integrate it with CRMs and calendars to automate workflows like scheduling appointments or following up on leads, all while tracking performance metrics in real time. Another often missed feature is its ability to handle context-aware conversations, meaning the AI can respond intelligently to interruptions or changes in the conversation flow, creating a more human-like experience for your clients. Now, let's cover common mistakes to avoid. One of the biggest is underestimating setup and training. Retell AI performs best when it's properly trained on your business information and scripts, so skipping this step can lead to awkward or incorrect responses. Another mistake is overloading your AI agent with too many tasks at once. It's more effective to focus on repetitive or structured calls rather than highly complex interactions. Additionally, many users forget to monitor performance regularly, missing opportunities to fine-tune the AI and improve customer experience. Finally, ignoring costs is a common pitfall. Since Retell AI uses a usage-based pricing model, high call volumes without planning can quickly lead to unexpected expenses. By understanding these hidden features and avoiding these mistakes, you can make Retell AI a highly effective tool for your business, improving customer interactions, saving time, and automating routine tasks efficiently. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips, tutorials, and honest tech reviews.